hold that.
Okay, but this
But
is
I need these slots to go in here.
Right.
Right, and then this will lock in place,
Yes.
right?
Push it down.
Push it down.
But see that angle?
Yes, I do see the angle.
That's what's hard.
Hold that and point it at that angle.
Okay.
Okay, that's the hard part.
Yes.
So, see me
That's
line
why
up?
it might be better with two
It
people
might be,
supporting it.
right? This one has to go
You can
here,
move those
like
a little
that,
bit.
and
Yeah.
then see this one over here. Can you see my hand, or am I in the way? Am I in the way? Or can you see, like if somebody were trying to look at this and
We
use
need
it
light.
as a video to figure out how to do it?
Yes.
I lined this one up already, right?
Yes.
So, here, I don't know where that came from. This one, you can move this
Yeah, a little bit.
a little bit. Yep. So you get it on like that.
But it's the angle.
Now we're going to pull it back on the angle, and it's just going to slide right into place. Right? Hopefully. Hopefully. Like that. And now it's locked in
Yes.
place. Here, let me have that. You can see it's locked. Now, if you want to unlock this, you're going to have to get something to push this in and pull it out. So, good luck with that. But for right now, this is done. Oh, how nice. Look at the little buttons. I like that.
You're
It's
going to
like
take
bronze.
the voice out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because